Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to apply for your monetization for Facebook page. Before that, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Please support me if you find this video helpful. If you need any other help, please leave a comment and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Do not make a mistake while you're doing this. So you go to a creative studio and then press click on monetization on left side menu, and you will be on this page status. So check if you're eligible. Click in one here. I have already applied for mine, so I'll show you the steps in the stars. So it's the same steps, so you can do there. Press next, then you'll get this one. Pick up where you left off. So yeah, it is set up your pay account. So always use capital letters with your names, yeah, because this is for the tax. So obviously select this one here and then press next. You will get to another it says invalid IBN number because I write my name not capital letters. I should have written it capital letters. So you see it says you have entered wrong, invalid window. Yeah, so that window will be for your you will say your address. You will ask, I already applied there so you can't see it, so you will asking you about your email address, your home address, your mobile number and stuff. Just add your resident where you live at the moment. Yeah, so you can press next. Then you'll be going to the payout account, where you need to add your bank account. If you live in the UK, you have to add your IBAN number from the Lloyds Bank or whatever bank you are in. There's international payments because Facebook is based in America, United States of America. That's why you need to do IBAN number from your bank, so you can put that in your number. So for your tax number, yeah, you don't have to do UTR, like unique tax reference number, if you're not self-employed. So you can use your national insurance number in the UK for your tax number. Yeah, TIN number. It says when you go to window, it will say TIN number. So yeah, so these are the steps. I'm going to leave the photos of the steps I took, so you can see them, and I hope it helps you to doing it. So make sure write your details in the correct way. Don't mess it up. Yeah, because once you applied it and you did something wrong, it can be refused just because of one mistake. So yeah, make sure you're doing everything correctly. So I hope you like this one, and watch this slide of the photos I took from my when I applied for monetization. So yeah, before this step, we will ask you about your US citizenship and things, taxation, because obviously you need to be paying taxes. So it will ask you about tax, so you need to write where you live at the moment. If you are living in the UK, write citizenship as UK resident or citizenship, and then write in tax code. You need to write national insurance number, nothing else, and then you need to select non-US TIN. Is like their tax number, so you are non-US because you are not in the US. So just select that one, and you write your name and address. Write your name again in capital letters, please. If you need to know anything else which you are struggling with, please leave a comment and I will reply as soon as possible. Please do not make any mistake while entering your details. Make sure everything is right, because once you have entered your detail and submitted it, Facebook will refuse it if you made any mistake. So make sure you write right and correct details.